Have you ever wondered how you can enhance your personal safety in an unpredictable world? From bustling city streets to quiet neighborhoods, being prepared for any situation is crucial. In today's video, we explore a range of innovative gadgets designed to empower you in moments of uncertainty. These tools blend modern technology with practicality, offering solutions from non-lethal self-defense options to discreet everyday carry items. Join us as we delve into gadgets that redefine personal safety. Let's get started. Number 1. Pepper Spray Pellet Gun. Imagine having the ability to defend yourself from a safe distance with a non-lethal weapon that combines simplicity and effectiveness. The Pepper Spray Pellet Gun allows you to fire pepper spray pellets using standard CO2 cartridges. With a range of 45 to 60 feet and the capacity to hold 6 pellets, it offers peace of mind in potentially dangerous situations. Priced at approximately $100, it's an affordable option for anyone prioritizing personal safety without compromising on ease of use. Number 2. Protegat Self Defense Belt. The Protegat Self Defense Belt seamlessly integrates a discreet yet functional knife into its buckle design. Available in folding and monolithic models, it ensures that you're prepared for unexpected threats while maintaining a stylish appearance. The knife is securely locked in place but easily accessible with a single motion, making it ideal for formal occasions or everyday wear. Although pricing details are scarce, its blend of fashion and practicality makes it a valuable addition to any self-defense arsenal. Number 3. Light in Dazzler Self-Defense. The Light in Dazzler offers a unique approach to self-defense with its powerful flash that can temporarily blind and disorient potential attackers. Weighing just 3 ounces, it resembles a flashlight and emits 15 flashes per second, effective in confined spaces and nighttime scenarios. Despite its limitations in daylight, its ability to cause temporary blindness makes it a formidable tool for personal safety. Priced at $50, it's an affordable option for enhancing your security with minimal risk. Number 4. Shock Knife. The shock knife combines the utility of a knife with the deterrence of a stun gun, immobilizing attackers upon contact. Emitting a distinctive sound, it can prevent conflicts from escalating and includes a built-in flashlight for added versatility. Priced at $90, it offers both physical protection and psychological deterrence, making it a valuable tool for anyone concerned about personal safety. With its rechargeable design and included holster, it's convenient to carry and ready for immediate use in various situations. Number 5. Firestorm JPX 4-Shot Compact Pepper Spray Gun. For advanced pepper spray capabilities, the Firestorm JPX 4-Shot Compact Pepper Spray Gun delivers effective protection up to 23 feet away, regardless of weather conditions. With 4 cartridges and a built-in laser sight option, it ensures accurate targeting and reliable defense against potential threats. Made from durable materials and priced at $150. It's designed for those who prioritize reliability and effectiveness in self-defense situations, despite its slightly bulky size. Number 6. Mad Bite Gloves. Mad Bite gloves aren't just for protection. They're designed with alloy steel inserts and anti-slip silicone coatings for enhanced grip and durability. Available in classic and fingerless designs, they're ideal for motorcyclists, cyclists, and fitness enthusiasts looking to bolster their personal safety. Priced affordably at $12. These gloves offer practicality without compromising comfort, ensuring you're prepared for unexpected challenges while engaging in physical activities or everyday tasks. Number 7. 3D Printed Glock 19. With the advent of 3D printing technology, the 3D printed Glock 19 allows enthusiasts to create a customizable version of this iconic pistol. Known as the Banana Standard Project, it showcases the potential for personalization and experimentation in firearm design. While innovative, it's essential to approach such projects with caution due to legal and safety considerations. The affordability and accessibility of 3D printing highlight new avenues in self-defense, albeit with important regulatory implications and responsibilities. Number 8. Mini Glock 17. The Mini Glock 17 serves as a miniature collectible for firearm enthusiasts, available at an accessible starting price of $8.50. While primarily decorative, some versions are designed with detachable components, sparking debate among hobbyists about potential functionality. Its compact size and affordability make it a unique addition to collections, appealing to those interested in firearms history and design. Although not intended for use as a weapon, its availability underscores the diverse market for collectible replicas in the self-defense sector. Number 9. Bomberco B2 Dog Tag. The Bomberco B2 Dog Tag redefines the concept of everyday carry by integrating a 1-inch removable blade into a military-style identification tag. Weighing less than 2 ounces, it claims to be the lightest steel tactical knife globally, backed by a lifetime warranty. Priced at $85, it's a compact yet robust tool for personal safety and survival situations, appealing to individuals seeking discreet yet reliable equipment for their daily routines or emergency preparedness. Number 10. Folding Combat Axe. Handcrafted with precision, the folding combat axe offers a blend of functionality and portability with its folding mechanism and belt clip system. Originally made from durable plastic, its potential for a metal version underscores its appeal to military and first responders. Designed for both practical use and collection, it exemplifies the artisanal craftsmanship dedicated to self-defense tools. Its versatility and unique design make it a standout choice for those prioritizing both aesthetics and practicality in their preparedness equipment. Number 11. Wubin E62. The Wubin E62 tactical pen combines essential tools like a glass breaker, flashlight, knife, and writing implement into a compact and durable design. Weighing only 1.6 ounces and priced at $30, it's crafted for everyday carry, offering practicality in unexpected situations. With features like IP68 water resistance and a rechargeable battery lasting up to 15 hours, it's an indispensable tool for individuals prioritizing both functionality and preparedness in their daily lives. Number 12. CRKT Provoke Knife. The CRKT Provoke Knife stands out with its innovative kinematic technology, designed by Joe Caswell. This $200 karambit knife offers quick and safe deployment, ideal for high-stress situations. With a compact 2.4-inch blade and a robust 6-ounce build, it combines modern engineering with ergonomic design. Popular among enthusiasts and professionals alike, it ensures reliable performance and ease of use, making it a trusted choice for personal safety and self-defense scenarios. Number 13. Escape Stick. The Escape Stick offers a simple yet effective solution for breaking free from restraints in critical situations. Housed in a compact plastic case, its diamond saw design enables cutting through various materials, from plastic zip ties to steel shackles. Weighing just 0.14 ounces and priced at $30, it's designed for discreet carry and easy concealment, making it an essential tool for individuals in law enforcement, security, or those traveling in high-risk environments. Number 14. Paracord Bracelet Knife. Combining practicality with versatility, the paracord bracelet knife includes a mini knife alongside essential outdoor tools like a compass, whistle, and glass breaker. Designed for camping, hiking, and everyday carry, its compact size and multifunctional capabilities ensure readiness for unexpected challenges. Priced between $7 and $11 and available in various colors. It appeals to outdoor enthusiasts and individuals seeking practical, multi-purpose equipment for personal safety and preparedness. These self-defense gadgets showcase a blend of innovation, functionality, and practicality. From non-lethal options like pepper spray guns to multifunctional tools like tactical pens and bracelet knives, being prepared has never been easier. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Let us know in the comments which self-defense gadget impressed you the most. Stay safe and see you in the next video.